Before we even begin this process, first of all, go to settings, from there to general, from there to display and brightness, and then put your auto lock on never. What that is going to do is that your screen is not going to lock, because when that happens, it disrupts the process. And have a lot of patience, and when you do that, you just let your screen hang. Just leave it like that. It's not going to lock because you obviously put it on auto lock. Just let it be. Okay, just be patient, and this is not like a permanent fix or whatever. It's a temporary fix. It's just a quick fix. What I do whenever I need to get into my game, and what this does, because of the long process that it is, I don't always go into my game now except when there are events that I need to complete. So just bear that in mind. And you're waiting. It's gonna take a while. Sometimes, if it depends, I don't know whether it depends on the network or whatever, but you need to have quick, sharp reflexes. So when this happens, just let it hang like this and be patient. Just let it be. Don't disrupt it. Don't start doing this or that or whatever. If you have another device that you don't use for calls, use that for this, because I just let it be. Okay, it's sad, but that's what you should do if you really need your game to work or load. So let it be, and
one eternity later,
it's gonna disappear eventually. And when it disappears, make sure you are quick with this. Once it gets into this screen, you've gotten into the game, quickly double tap on your home button. Double tap like 1, 2 immediately, and you have two options of either turning off your Wi-Fi or putting your phone or device in airplane mode. When that happens, it's not going to be disrupted, and as soon as you're done with that, tap on the KKH icon on that screen and you are into the game now. Please note, don't exit the screen of the game. Don't let a call come in or whatever. So that's why you should put it on airplane mode, because if a call comes in, it's gonna bounce you out because you need network to load the game, and you're gonna get stuck on the loading page again. So this is the process you keep repeating, you keep doing, and just be patient. I don't know when this is gonna be fixed, but this is how I get into my game now.
Oh yeah, come on! Show feel fucking the beat. Show feel fucking the beat.